안녕하세요. Hello. This is Secret Hacks for Learning Korean Language for Self-Learners. Since I'm running my website and SNS, I've received questions that how to start learn Korean. I would like to learn. I am interested learning in Korean, but I don't know where to start. Well, this lecture could be a great answer who wants to start learning Korean. And before we start, I would like to introduce a little bit of myself. That I am Heejin Park, and a certified Korean tutor, and I've been teaching online and offline for 5 years. I hold a master's degree in KFL, which means Korean as a foreign language, which means teaching Korean language to foreigners. The first thing you have to remember, really have to remember, is must not expect too much at your first attempt. Really. In Korean, we say 첫 술에 배부르랴. Well, it's true. It sounds very struggling or challenging or boring, but any of language you learn, you need to put your time and effort to study a language. No exceptions. And second rule, how to start learning Korean as a beginner or self-learners, which is understand the differences. No differences between Korean versus your own language will help you a lot to study further. For example, English, which is one of the popular grammar structure, which goes like S subject, V verb, O object. I go to a school. But Korean language is S subject, O object, V verb, which means I to school go. So for our learners who has similar to English grammar rule, you need to know the difference, while learners who have a similar language structure like Hindi, Japanese, Turkish, those language structures are similar to Korean language. Number 3, focus at the big picture. What does it mean? Which means you have to not only focus on like a small things, details or tree. Of course, it is needed when you become intermediate or advanced level, but at the very beginning or a beginner level, you have to focus on big picture. So like when you understand the structure of general Korean language, how it goes like, and it will be much easier after that, like each trees, such as like tense, verb, politeness, you start to just see each trees inside the forest, a big picture, then it goes way easier to find your path to conquer or complete understanding Korean language. Korean language structure is subject, object, verb. And another very important thing is Korean language is very politeness driven language. And another thing, while English has preposition, I am at home. For example, we have postposition, which means a position such as at, to, on, in will be placed after noun. So if it is in English, I am at home, in Korean will be I, home at, and am. As I mentioned, verb should be at the end of a sentence, right? So when you focus at the big picture, understand the big, like a general characteristic of Korean language, of course, when you start to understand little by little, it goes much easier Number 4 is learning Hangul. Hangul, Korean alphabet. No Hangul, unfortunately, no Korean language. Hangul, some of people think it is very difficult to remember, but it's same like English. It has consonants and vowels, which is 24 alphabets only. And when you know the logic of creation of Hangul, you easily can memorize them within a couple of hours. Trust me. Number 5, grammar session. Words list exercises are available. studykoreaneveryday.teachable.com. Did you like the lesson? Please subscribe, like, and share. 감사합니다.